Good afternoon, everybody. I just purchased this new sliding door window cover off of Amazon. I've been looking for one for a while, and I was watching one that was on there, and they just raised the price, so it's way too expensive. And then all of a sudden, this new company popped up. Company's Living on a Bubble. Sorry. Yeah, Living in a Bubble. They give you this thank you card when you purchase an item, sticker, and this little keychain thingy. Oh yes, it also comes with this bag, which is very nice, good quality. This seems like good quality too. It's insulated still, just like the other companies. But I was concerned because this is on a 2023 RoadTrek Play, and they put this decorative thing around the window, so I didn't think I'd be able to stick anything in here, but this is big enough that it still sticks to the metal. And I can roll it up or leave it here mounted. I don't have to store it in a bag. That's what I plan on doing. It's a little tricky, but I think you just got to get used to it. It's because of this thing here is in the way. The screen window, bug screen. They got these little straps that you can put on to hold it in place. And the only problem, this corner might get caught. You just got to push that in and it stays. Close it. Stays in place. It's fantastic. So I'm just going to leave it up there while I'm driving, and you can quickly, easily put it down, and it still sticks all around with strong magnets. So I think it's going to work out okay. Oh yes, the one that comes with the RoadTrek. Normally you have to have the bug screen rolled down because it has this Velcro on both sides. So you snap this down, you roll it down, and it's not anywhere near the window at all. I put my clothes here to keep it tight, just to keep the cold air out. This side is down a bit because it has the Velcro, but also when you go to roll it up, it's very noisy. Wakes the wife up every time I do this. She's not too pleased. So I don't know what I can do with this. I like to just cut it right off because it's sewn on there. But that's what I'm going to go with. Very reasonable price on Amazon. Shipped the next day. See ya.